Alright, so here we are with a first break out of eBay 2686 Anthology 1516 double box break. So let's do this. Alright, so sorry for the delay, guys. We had the Facebook break before, and I wasn't sure how much time it would take, but it took way more than I was expecting. So let's do that break. Let's just get that box out, please. Oh, bro. That box is full. Alright. Decoys. Alright, so we start with the Twitch Lab materials for Taco Bell Lightning. The price lab by Miss Nico. Next, we got a full coverage Winnipeg Jets. Blake Wheeler. Third pieces, pretty sure it's Calgary Flame, but I'll have a look at the checklist. All mechanics and Doug Gilmore. I'd say 95% sure it's Calgary. Next, a missing materials for the Vancouver Canucks and Rick Sedin. Double coverage patch. On the first side, we got Boston, Davey Krejci. On the other side, also for Boston, Brad Marchand. Dual autograph, what do we have? Dual autograph, Settlers Blues, Brody Federico and Kevin Shatner. And our last hit is the Anthology autograph for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Jonathan Drouin. So that was the first one. Box number 2. So 5 decoys. Let's do this. We start with the necessary materials. Ryan Kessler. Pretty sure it's my group, and actually I'll have a look at the checklist at the end of the break. Next, we got the Detroit materials for the Colorado Rockies, which is the New Jersey Devils, Laney McDonald. Also have to check this just to make sure. Full coverage, Columbus, Boone Jenner. Boone Jenner for Columbus. Missing materials, Detroit Red Wings, Peter Mrazek. Peter Mrazek for Detroit Red Wings. Paired pieces, Morgan Riley and Tyler Biggs, Toronto Maple Leafs. What do we have? Dual autograph. This will be a random between Ottawa and the Vancouver Canucks. Matt Premple and Bo Orvac. I'll do the random at the end. And we get the last hit is the Anthology art. Whoa! I think we got something pretty cool, guys, from the look that I have. So it's Denny Potvin. But look at the coloring, guys. Looks like it's a rainbow one, and it is a Denny Potvin autograph. But look at this. It's a 1-of-1. So 1-of-1 autograph of Denny Potvin from Anthology. Whoa, nice. So just want to show you guys the difference. That's the random 1-of-1. Regular is only gold. It's upside down. But the 1-of-1 got some rainbow. Full colors. So 1-of-1 of Denny Potvin. Wasn't expecting. So there it is. Can you please focus now? 1-of-1. There it is. I like those 1-of-1s. Alright, so I'm just gonna see. Alright, so what do we have? The paired pieces of Doug Gilmore and first of all, I'm missing the title. MM92 for Ryan Kessler. Ryan Kessler.
goes to the Vancouver Canucks. Next, the paired pieces. So paired pieces, we've got Doug Gilmore and our friend Al McKenna. All right, so Calgary Flame for both. That's what I thought. And TM40 Laney McDonald is a Colorado Rockies. So the New Jersey Devils. So, right. So I knew what the checklist was. Now let's get ready for Ottawa and the Vancouver Canucks. Puenpol and Orvat. All right. There we go. First, second, and third. And the winner is the Vancouver Canucks with Bo Orvat. So thanks, guys. That was it for Anthology. I will be back in 5 minutes with a double box break of SP game used. Thanks.